What's up, my friend? This is Anders Larsson, and today I want to share an update on the Gmail issue that I had, which seems to be back. So they all go to spam, and I'm thinking that I'm gonna switch to another email service because this doesn't seem that it will go away. But before I do that, I want to try to close my AWeber account and create a new and see if there are some footprints that Gmail search for that is associated with an account, regardless of if you have a new list or if you change the spam can address or change the domain, because I seem to notice that the problem won't change. So it's always nice to draw the plan. I use Paint 3D. This helps me think. Alright, so this is my plan, and I'm gonna take every component in this plan step by step, and I will keep you updated what is happening along the way. So the first step is to chat with the support. Alright, so I'm chatting with Chris, and he's taking a look at the messages that have failed. By the way, I read somewhere that I needed to set up the SPF1 for AWeber, but it has been a day now and nothing has changed. Meanwhile, I tried another service where they had a wizard, an installation wizard, to suggest to set up both the SPF1 and a domain key. One thing that has been worrying me a little bit is the GlockUp system. If I send too many tests, maybe that will send signals to Gmail that here is something fishy going on. The thing is, I don't know the tolerance. I don't know when the triggers happen, and I can understand the frustration people have with this, because that forces them to do a lot of tests and research, and they waste a lot of time. I mean, wouldn't you rather spend your time creating value than having to deal with this problem? But I also know that Gmail wants to battle spam, and they can't reveal the countermeasures, because otherwise it would be easy for the spammers to countermeasure it. So this is kept as a secret. Alright, Chris is talking about role-based email addresses. If I use info at or support at, that this may be a problem. So I was actually looking that up, and it is a good thing that I signed up to many online marketers to verify things, and I could verify that many uses info at, support at. So this is not the case. This is not the problem. Alright, this is interesting. In Soho, I got this message, and it says 24 to 48 hours for the changes to take effect. So let's verify. So it couldn't verify it. So the TXT should be at, then v equals SPF1 include soho.com and some strange snake character and all, and this has plus all. One question: would someone with very little technical skills be able to become successful online, having no issues with GetResponse or AWeber, everything working fine? Would they have configured the SPF the right way, going through all this? I mean, this is pretty technical, and this is something that affects everyone that tries to make money online or online marketing. Of course, they need someone to help them with this. I was doing a lot more tests, the drag and drop builder and a role-based email, changed all that, and nothing helped. Everything went to spam. So with all these signs, you have to think out of the box. The support only gives you standard answers, and the company wants you to stay in the system. They are dependent of you paying the subscription fee, so why would they suggest, oh, create a new account? No, they would not suggest that. So it's really frustrating, but I think everything is pointing in this direction. So the only option I can see now is to close this account, and I will get back to you with updates. So this was the end of this part of the video. If you felt that you learned something from this, then hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell button. If you want to know what it is that I do, what allows me to make money online, then click the link in the description. You will also see a link to my landing page where you have access to my free video training that I've spent a year in making. So I wish you have a great day wherever you are in the world, and see you in my next part. Bye bye.